always wanted to do one of these walking things. It's just like walking, you talk, and you talk. Oh no, music. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. It's like I'm staring into your soul. Sex with the gay man, but it's not gonna happen.
That would happen if I tried.
No, it's not gonna happen to me. I'm not gay.
What I actually really wanted was to go with boots to Halloween, right?
Whoa!
Based on WWE wrestlers.
Oh, it's fake.
What happens when Ben decides he likes something?
What? Pokemon?
No.
I know, I saw Snorlax!
No, these aren't even Pokemon anymore.
What? You douche canoe? It is 11:48 and I'm about to go to work. I fucking love this job. This job's awesome. Boom. Whoa, everything's different. I can't even see it, but everything's different. I'll find it. Oh, god damn it! Whoa.
It's a lot better.
Whoa, it's actually roomier. Hey, sexy 12-inch screen. How you doing? I'm doing good, Scotty. That's great to hear.
Nice, my gum.
There's gum, there's a Golf Digest, a gift savings check. And then there's a Ben's room on the wall. I don't know why that's there. There's a random Zippo later, too. Is this the... Oh, this is a Zippo. This is a Zippo. This is the sexy Zippo. Oh, old school. Oh, so much fun playing with these things. Or, can't do it. It's no
Give
fun.
it time, you'll get her there.
Yeah, this...